You've probably seen those viral videos with Ronaldo and Messi on Instagram, right? One Instagram account got an unbelievable 96 million views on just one video in a matter of days. And that's not all. They gained a massive 600,000 followers on Instagram in less than 3 weeks just from these videos. Now, what if I told you that this channel is using a unique style that hardly anyone else is trying? That means there's almost no competition on social media right now for this kind of content. This is your perfect chance to jump in early and potentially get millions of views for your own posts. And the best part? You can create these amazing videos for free using AI tools. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make eye-catching visuals, turn them into fun videos, and edit everything to look great. So stick around until the end, because I'll walk you through each step to create this content yourself. Alright, let's jump into the first step, writing prompts for the images. And ChatGPT is the perfect tool to help with that. To get started, open up your browser and search for ChatGPT. Once you're on the site, look for the text box where you can enter your prompt. I've included a specific prompt in the video description for you to use. Just copy that prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT text box. Now, all you need to do is click on the Generate button. Once you do that, ChatGPT will create 5 unique prompts that feature Messi and Ronaldo in different scenarios. You can feel free to modify these prompts to better fit your needs and ideas. Adding little details to make the prompts more exciting or funny will make your final image even better. Once your prompts are ready, it's time to move on to the next step, generating images for them. For this part, we'll use popular image generators like Leonardo AI and Ideogram to see which tool gives us the best results for our video. First, let's open Google and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once you log in using your email, head over to the image creation section. At first, this interface might seem a little complicated, but don't worry. It's actually quite straightforward once you know what to do. Now, let's create a new tab and search for Ideogram on Google. Click on their website and log in using your Google account. The interface for this tool is really simple and user-friendly. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. For example, you could use a prompt like Ronaldo and Messi in a historic football match. This prompt will help you create an engaging and unique image of these famous soccer stars in a fun scenario. Now, open Leonardo AI and paste the prompt you created into the text box. For the preset, select Leonardo Phoenix. Then, for the style, choose Dynamic. Next, set the image dimensions to 9:16. This size is perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Once everything looks good, click the Generate button. This will cost you 24 credits. After that, head over to Ideogram. Paste the same prompt into the text box, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, and choose Model 2.0. Then click on Generate. This will cost 2 credits to create images at one time. Alright, now let's give the AI a few minutes to generate the images. When it's done, compare the 2 images from each platform side by side. Pay close attention to which image looks more realistic and which one captures the character's features more accurately. This step is super important because when people see our images, they need to instantly recognize who's in the scene and understand what's going on. A clear, well-detailed image will engage viewers much better. In my experience, Ideogram tends to deliver the best results. The character features on Ideogram images look almost as if they're real, which makes a big difference. So, I'll be using Ideogram to create all of my images following the same steps. Here's a look at all the images we've generated using Ideogram. They turned out great. Everything looks just right. Once you've done that, pick the images you like the most. Click 3 dots, and then hit the download button to save them to your device. Now you've laid the foundation for your video. In the next step, we will animate these images. Now that you have your image, it's time to turn it into a video using Pixverse AI. First, open a new tab in your browser and search for Pixverse AI. Click on the first link you see and click Try Pixverse. Then log in using your Google, Apple, or Discord account. Once you're logged in, look for an icon that looks like Image. This is where you can upload the images that downloaded before. Click on it, find the image you downloaded, and upload it to Pixverse. Next, it will ask you to add a short description of your image. This description is important because it helps Pixverse create the animation style for your video. After you click on Create, Pixverse will work its magic, and in just a few minutes, it will create a video for you. To speed up the video creation process, you can try other video generators like Vidu AI, HyperAI, and Hailuo AI. These tools can help you get even better results, and the best part is they all offer free versions to get you started. First, let's start with Vidu AI. Open Google, search for Vidu AI, and click the link to visit the site. Once you've logged in as a free user, you'll receive 80 free credits. Now, click on Create Video. to enter the video editor. In the Image to Video tab, upload your second image and add a short description to guide the animation. Then, just click Create, and Vidu AI will start building your video in seconds. Next, try HyperAI. Again, search for HyperAI on Google and click the first link. Log in with your Google account, then find the Image to Video tool. Upload your third image, add a short description, and hit Create. Just like with Vidu AI, HyperAI will animate your image, but now you're using multiple tools to work faster. Repeat the same steps for each image across these tools to make your videos quickly without waiting too long on one platform. By combining these tools, you can complete multiple video projects at once, for free, and speed up the whole process. Once everything is done, just click the download button to save your videos. Now it's time for the next step, where we'll edit the videos using CapCut. And this is the part where we bring everything together to create a smooth, professional video. We'll use CapCut here, but you can choose any editing software that you feel comfortable with. Start by importing your video clips, the ones we just created, and arrange them in the order you want. Next, let's add some transitions. Simple transitions like fades between clips give a smoother flow and make the video more enjoyable for viewers. To make it even more engaging, add background music. You can find free copyrighted music in the YouTube library, on Pexels, or in CapCut's own library. Adding the right music can make a big difference. It sets the mood and keeps viewers interested. Finally, watch your video to make sure everything looks good. When you're happy with it, click on the export button to save the final version. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a powerful, shareable video in just a few minutes, all for free and with zero competition in the niche. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.